How to format and reinstall Windows. So guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by Apex, I'll teach you guys how you can format or reset your Windows and reinstall it later. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, go to System. Now under System, scroll down and you'll find a recovery option. Tap on Recovery. And after you tap on recovery, you will see a section called recovery options. Under there, you will see reset this PC. Tap on reset this PC. After you tap on it, you will see two files. One is to keep your files and another is to remove everything. We'll tap on remove everything. After you tap on it, you'll get two options. First is to download and reinstall Windows, that is the cloud download. The other is to reinstall Windows from this device, that is local reinstall. You can choose either one. The cloud download can use up to 4 GB of data as it says right here. So choose whichever you want. After you do so, you will see remove apps and files and so much more current settings. You can change the settings by simply tap on change settings. And here you can clean data, that is it's asking you. This is quicker but less secure. And download Windows. This we have turned this on. Tap on confirm and tap on next. So after it's done loading, it is now ready to reset this PC. And as it says right here, resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts and remove any changes made to the settings, remove apps and programs, and it will just download and reinstall Windows. Now this will take a while and your PC will restart, cloud download, and so much more notes here. So after you've read all of these and when you're ready, tap on reset and your PC will reset. After the reset is done, what you'll need to do is open up your PC and it will just be like a new PC. And then what you'll need to do is you can simply just set it up yourself, set up as you normally set up a new PC, and you're basically done. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.